Okay, so we're going to start with a new design, and we are going to save this to somewhere you know it's saved. Okay, to start, we're going to create a sketch on any of the 3 planes. Doesn't matter which one. From here, you're going to create a rectangle centered at the origin. You just click there and use your dimensioning tool up here to set the size. And you can drag this dimension around so you can change it later. Yours are 180 here. $80 here. Now we are going to create a line. Over here too. We're going to dimension that as well. You have that as 5 millimeters in your drawing. And then we're going to press Finish Sketch. Now you're going to extrude this shape, so we're going to start with the middle. Make sure you have your operations set to new body, new component. And then we're just going to click on the piece that we want to extrude, and then we can type in our measurement, which you have as 5. And then we have to go up here to our sketches. I'm actually going to name this our base sketch. So when if we have to go back in and change it later, it's easy. And we're going to turn the visibility for that on. And then we're going to extrude the sides. For this, you're going to select Join. And then your distance was 80 for your long side. We're going to extrude the second side. Also press Join for this one, and your distance was 40 here. Actually, the long side should be 50, so we can go back in our timeline to that and right-click it to edit, and it should be 50. Okay, so now we have the base. Get to where you can see the side plane, and we're going to make another sketch on here. You can just click on that side, and you're going to create a circle. Click it on this line. Okay. Create the circle, click on the line, and then type your diameter in for the, I believe this is the tall side, so it's going to be 8. Nope, that was the short side, so we can change this dimension to 10. And then we are going to use the dimension tool to set it, it's 19 from the edge line. I'm going to pull that up so we can see it. 19. And then we're going to make another circle, which is also 10, and dimension that to the other circle as 42. I'm going to drag our circle dimension up so we can see that and easily change it. We can finish our sketch. Now we're going to extrude those circles. So click on both of these circles, and you're going to select cut under the operations, and you drag the arrow in until you get a red semicircle, and then press enter, and you cut your circles out. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. We're going to create a sketch. Draw your circle and put it on the line. Your diameter for this one is 8. I'm going to go ahead and drag that distance up. And your distance from the side of this one is going to be 40 according to your drawing. Press enter. From the center to the side. Okay, for some reason that is not. Okay. So your circle's in the center now. You can finish that sketch. We're going to extrude that circle like we did with the other one. So select that circle and press cut under your operations, and then drag that arrow to see the red semicircle and press enter. And then you have your base. If you want to change any of your dimensions, you can go into your sketch and press edit sketch, and then you can easily change whatever dimensions you want in here. And you can press finish your sketch and it changes that dimension. You can also go in and change the distance between your circles instead of having to press a new hole like you were doing. You can just double click on these dimensions and it will let you change it. I hope that makes sense. You may need to check your dimensions because this is according to your drawing and we are not sure if the heart actually fits in it yet.